Hey, Dr. Vinnie, we're going to try something different today. So this is an oxygen concentrator, and this you can get from www.SmileCareHealth.com, and I'll even give you a code so you can get it cheaper if you like. So what does an oxygen concentrator do? It gives you extra oxygen, and it's used because physicians may find you to have a disease that decreases the level of oxygen in your blood. So you may have asthma, lung cancer, pulmonary fibrosis, COPD, which is a big one. So those are people who have emphysema, most likely from years of smoking. But how about also if you have the flu or COVID-19 and you have pneumonia from that and you're short of breath, your oxygen levels are low. A lot of times they'll send you home with oxygen. So, the benefit of this versus maybe an oxygen tank is an oxygen tank gives you gas or liquid oxygen. The issue is the tank only has a finite amount of oxygen in it. It doesn't have just an infinite amount. So you'll need it refilled or you'll need to replace the tank. Plus they're pretty heavy. This is 16 pounds. So if you're going to a relative's house or you're going to go, to a hotel or something, you could bring this along. You just need to be able to plug it in. You put some humidified water in here, or distilled water in here for humidification, and that will help just in case the nasal cannula gives you dry air. And that's really it. What this does is it takes the air and filters out the nitrogen and then gives you purified oxygen. So that's what that does. So you want to talk to a physician though, because they need to tell you the flow rate that you would use. You can't just max out the flow rate because you can get oxygen toxicity, and they need to see what your levels are at the office, and then they can kind of guide you through this. This comes with the nasal cannula. All right, so these two prongs go in your nose, and these kind of go in your ear, and they explain all that. And then this is even a longer one that they have, and then they have two extra filters. It's really simple. I'm going to show you. So you turn this on, and the power is on the back. Then you hit the on button here. You're going to turn the flow rate with this, and that's where the physician can help you out. And then this is a timer, so you can set this for hours or even minutes. So hopefully that's gonna give you some information about this and the benefits of it. The code from my code, so you can get 26% off site-wide, not just for this, but site-wide, is DRV26. And that's off www.SmileCareHealth.com.